From one pro R to another, from Stevenson, Bradley Xavier. Ooh, somebody's friends with a skinny pedal. I get the joy of calling these things in action doing short course off-road up in Marysville, the E Street MX Park side-by-side series. For those of you that might want to go racing and stuff like this, check out the rule book. And definitely, it is worth the drive for the action that we put on up in Marysville at E Street MX Park. Oh, it's not worth the dirt in my water. I would say here, but, you know, like I said, as long as it's a straight at least go, that's what matters. 34.12. Bradley is your new leader. What? Who is this guy? Ryan Amela again. What happened? Oh, no. Wait a second. Not too bad for fresh off the farm. Oh, man. That's all I'm going to say about that. 45.65. 45.65. Now we're going to go back to, oh, this is something very long and lean. All the way from Los Banos. Whoa, he almost took 2 barrels at once. Shane Soaks from Los Banos. The big 4-door X3. This thing's a little tipsy. Definitely fueled by a San Jalisco. And you know what? You paid for all the ticket. You got the dirt in your beer for free. There he goes. Be able to swing something like that good. Let's see what kind of a time he pulls down. 35.81. Bradley Xavier, still second place. Bryce Benchart, still your leader. Now for some a little meaner, Americorn, Geo Strap, it might not look like a race car, but it sure sounds like one. That was such a pretty turn. Wait a second. Hold up that flag for now. In Ken Block we trust. This is where I've done. Okay, good. I didn't get sandblasted that time. 32.5 for the mark to beat. And now here comes, oh wait, I do have things properly. From Stevenson, how about another one from AmeriCorps and Geo Straps, Dustin Carmo. Oh, he's getting strapped in. Oh, same car, different driver. 2 different gentlemen in one car. Sounds like a family affair if I've ever heard one. There we go. You make that racer eat. Sounds so good. Anthony versus Dustin. Anthony with a 34.37. We're going to see what comes down for Dustin. 34.41, just a little slower. And now this gentleman absolutely put on a show in tough truck competition with the monster trucks in the last night. Put this thing on its lid. The man behind Burke's Plumbing, Dirt Star Mafia. Burke's Plumbing, the #1 business in #2. It's Herc Usridge. Big, mean, high horsepower Can-Am X3 Turbo. Herc meet Walt, Walt meet Herc. we go. Now we're talking. Oh, that thing was angry. 35.94 all, or 35.97 for her. All that horsepower and not enough traction to do anything about it. So this is surprising. Talked about this earlier. He's from I'm about to say a Waterford, but it is Waterford. Sounded like I was going to say Lockford. He just picked this thing up. He put it on its lid and practiced and blew 2 tires in the process. Notice little kink in the roll cage. It's Christian Evans. You saw him in truck and tractable competition, 5,500 pound street modified. That's as ugly as he is. You're going to see him tomorrow night at Cal Expo when we pull off the first truck and tractable there in many, many years. 34.32, not too shabby for a gentleman to put this thing on its lid earlier in competition. And now from Hillmar. How many from Hillmar in the crowd? What's that, about a quarter of the population of Hillmar? Well, you might know this gentleman. Him and his father put on a little thing called Battle at the Farm Halloween Weekend. If you like truck and tractor pulls, that is going to be the new party of the year, Halloween weekend out in Hillmar. Find him on social media. It's Dylan Babel in something he calls DUI. Dylan, an NTPA super stock competitor, also has a Super Farm diesel tractor that he refuses to get warranty because he likes to call his dad's tractor his own. You'll see him in NTPA competition in the Midwest here not too long. As we wait for Dylan